Car camping is a great way to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature. But to truly embrace the magic of car camping, you need the right gear by your side. In this video, we will share our top 10 must-have car camping gadgets and gear. So let's gear up, pack smart, and embark on unforgettable adventures. Ready, set, camp. AsFrost Lantern is a rechargeable powerhouse that's redefining outdoor lighting. This lantern features a game-changing design with a compact 24.5 centimeter foldable body. But when extended, it reaches a towering 97 centimeters with a versatile 180-degree rotatable lamp head. But what really sets the AsFrost camping lantern apart is its versatility. It has multiple modes, including a bright camping light, a soft ambient light, and an SOS light. The lantern is also powered by a robust 10,000 milliamp rechargeable battery that can provide up to 9 to 45 hours of continuous lighting. Not only that, but it's equipped with a Type-C charging port, so you can also use it to charge your phones, headsets, Kindles, and other devices. Affordable, lightweight, comfortable. The KingCamp wearable sleeping bag has a unique wearable design that makes it ideal for car camping. If you're looking for a sleeping bag that meets all of these criteria, this cozy piece of gear is a phenomenal option. This unique sleeping bag has arm zippers that allow you to wear it like a jacket. This makes it easy to get around your campsite, cook meals, and socialize with friends and family without getting out of your sleeping bag. It's also made of lightweight materials, making it easy to carry and pack in your car. Plus, it's filled with thermal insulated hollow microfiber, making it soft and comfortable to sleep in. This Lifesaver Jerrycan is built to exceed military-grade standards for water purification. What does that mean for you? Well, it means that this system can reduce viruses, bacteria, cysts, and parasites by 99.9%. even from the dirtiest of water sources. With this, you can store up to 18.5 liters of water from any source and filter it instantly using the built-in pump and filtered spout. And let's not forget about taste. The activated carbon filter in this system goes the extra mile by removing chlorine taste and odor from the water, so you can always have clean and refreshing water. Definitely a must-have piece of gear for your vehicle. The GOTIDY Air Mattress Pad is an ultra-thick inflatable bed that offers an effortless setup and maximum comfort. This mattress is designed to fit perfectly in the trunk of your SUV so you can sleep comfortably wherever you go. It's made of high-quality PVC flocking fabric, which is soft and provides slip resistance. The built-in electric pump inflates the mattress in under 2 minutes, so you can be set up and ready to sleep in no time. When you're done camping, simply deflate the mattress and pack it away in the included carrying bag. Rain or shine, this heavy-duty camping tarp has your back. The Wise Owl Outfitters camping tarp is an excellent option for car campers because it's durable, waterproof, and easy to set up. It is made of ripstop nylon with tape seams and an impenetrable water barrier. Setting up is easy too, thanks to aluminum tent stakes and 6 10-inch guideline cords that tighten at every corner. And here's the kicker, it's highly portable. Packed in a waterproof carrying bag, you can take it anywhere from backpacking to boating. The Wise Owl camping tarp comes in different sizes to suit your needs, and it's your versatile companion for any adventure. Power up your campsite with the Oupes 1800-watt portable power station. It boasts a whopping 1,488 watt-hour capacity, paired with an 1,800-watt AC pure sine wave inverter that can handle a surge up to 4,000 watts. That's more than enough to power your campsite, from your coffee maker to your laptop and everything in between. But it's not just about power, it's about versatility. With 10 outputs for multiple devices, you can charge your phone, run your mini fridge, and even power up your camera gear simultaneously. It's all the power you need for an epic car camping trip, right at your fingertips. If you're looking for a tarp that will last for years to come and will keep you dry and comfortable in any weather condition, the Aquaquest Defender is the perfect choice for you. It's made of heavy-duty nylon fabric with a unique dual-coating formula that produces an industry-leading waterproof rating of 20,000 millimeters. That means you can stay dry and comfortable even in extreme weather conditions. The Defender also has various features that make it ideal for car camping. It has 19 tie-outs, so you can pitch it in a variety of ways to create a shelter that meets your specific needs. It's also super lightweight and compact, so it's easy to pack and carry in your car. The CGI Slim Fold Cook Station is a lifesaver for car campers, providing a convenient and organized space for cooking and preparing meals. It features a heat-resistant aluminum countertop, storage rack, and 4 plastic fold-out side tables. It's also effortless to set up and take down, making it the perfect addition to any car camping trip. Speaking of quality, this table is also built to last. The heat-resistant aluminum countertop can handle up to 48 pounds, making it the perfect spot for your camp stove. The lower rack, with a weight limit of 35 pounds, provides a dry goods storage solution. This cooking solution is ultimately all about functionality and unmatched convenience. A survival kit can provide the tools and supplies you need to stay safe and comfortable in an unexpected emergency. The Abpir 14-piece survival kit does just that. It's packed with high-quality tactical gear, carefully selected for durability and functionality. From a tactical pen to a multifunctional card, survival bracelet, and hatchet, this kit has you covered for any task. It even includes practical camping tools like a fire starter, emergency blanket, and wire saw. It's also easy to carry and store, making it perfect for car camping and other outdoor activities. Plus, this kit is very affordable, making it a great value for the money. It's not just a practical tool, it's a fantastic gift idea too. The Odoland Folding Campfire Grill is a must-have for any car camper who loves to cook over an open fire. It folds down to a compact 14 by 7.8 inches by 2 inches, making it easy to carry and store with its convenient carrying bag. It's made of premium stainless steel that's anti-rust, heat-resistant, scratch-resistant, and corrosion-resistant. Plus, it's designed for efficient heat collection and effective charcoal burning with its funnel-shaped grill and airflow holes. And for the cherry on top, all its parts are rounded smooth, so no more worries about hurting your hands. It even has a non-stick grilling surface for easy cleaning after grilling saucy ribs or juicy chicken. Car camping is a great way to experience the outdoors and bond with family and friends. And with the right gear, it can be even more enjoyable. Make sure to check out the links below for product info. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, happy camping.